Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. All the students of 5th are welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, in this video we will be solving the word problem 2, 3 and 4. All the students are kindly requested to pay attention to all the word problems and start solving it in the classwork book. Okay students, now we are going to do the solution for word problem. I have written it on the blackboard, as you can see, problem set 15, word problem. Now they have asked the second question to us, that is, how many hours will it take to travel 336 km at a speed of 48 km per hour. Per means 1 hour. Now what we have to do is, we have to first find out the speed. What is the speed, everyone? The speed is 48 km per hour. And they have asked how many hours it will take to travel. So 336 divided by 48 km, and we will get the final answer to find out how many hours it will take to travel 336 kilometers at a speed of 48 kilometers per hour. Now students, I have already written the table of 48. Now what are we going to do in this problem or word problem? So first of all, we are going to write as solution. So we will write solution. Right? What is the speed? Speed equal to 48 km per hour. Okay? Now we are going to write distance to be covered. Distance to be covered. How many distance, everyone? We know 336 kilometers. As you can see, 336 kilometers. Now what we have to do is, we have to divide 336 divided by how many hours? 48 kilometers per hour. So we will be writing only the number, that is 48. Now as you can see in the rough work, I have already written the 48 ka table. Now 3, which is standing, which is a single unit, that is why we are going to always multiply first with 0. So 48 zeros are 0, and we will do minus, that is subtract. 3 minus 0, answer will come as 3. With an arrow, we are going to pull down the next number, that is 33. Now 33 is a smaller number, 48 is a bigger number. What are we going to do? Again we have to multiply with 0. So 48 zeros are 0, minus sign, and then we will find the next number. So answer will come as 33. We'll pull down 6 with an arrow, and we will be writing as 336. Now let's see, everyone, in this 48 table, can we find below than 336 any numbers, or 336 the exact number? As you can see it over here, 48 sevens is 336. So we got the final answer, 48 sevens are 336. Which sign? Minus sign. What will be the remainder answer? The remainder answer is 0. And what is this 7? This is called as a question. What they have asked us? They have asked to find out the time. How many hours? It is 7 hours. So we will be writing over here, the time required is 7 hours. Okay students, can you see, I have written the final answer. The time required is 7 hours. What they have asked us? They have asked us to find the How many hours will it take to travel for 336 km at a speed of 48 km per hour? And what will be the final answer? It takes 7 hours. Now let's see the third solution, word problem. Okay students, see this third sum which I have written on the blackboard. Word problem, problem set number 15, third sum. Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. There are an equal number of books in each carton. How many books did she pack into each carton? Girija needed to know the answer, that in how many books she had packed in each carton. So what we have to do is we have to divide 1400 into 35. As you can see it, I have already written the 35 table in the rough work. I have already written 35 table, 35 ones are till 35 tens are. Now we will be writing the number of books for this word problem solution. We will be writing solution. Let's start. The number of books we know are 1400. Number of books 1400. Number of cartons 35. Number of cartons 35. So we have to see how many books each carton were packed. So we have to divide, as you can see, 1400 divided by 35. 1 is a smaller number, 35 is a bigger number. We know this is called as dividend, this is called as divisor. 1 is a smaller number, 35 is a bigger number. So we will be writing 35 zeros are, answer will come as 0 and we have to subtract. So we are going to do this minus sign and we will write the answer 1 minus 0, 1 will come. We will take the next number, that is 4 with an arrow, and we will be writing here 4. As you can see, we got the answer as 14. 14 is a smaller number, 35 is a bigger number. So again we have to multiply with 0. 35 zeros are 0. What answer we will be getting? Direct as 14. We will take the next number, that is 0 with an arrow, and we will be writing here 0. Now in the 35 table we have to 40 number is there or what? As you can see, 35 fours is 140. So what we will be writing? 35 fours are 140. We know the answer, 140 minus 140, answer will come as 0. But this 0 is left. So we have to pull down with an arrow and we have to write again 0. Now this 0 we have to multiply. 35 zeros are 0 and we get the last solution. Answer is 0. So we have got the final answer, that is 40. So how are we going to write in the statement? We will be writing as answer 40 books are packed in each carton. As you can see the entire sum over here, everyone, we have got the answer by dividing 1400 divided by 35. We got the answer as 40 and we have written in the statement as 40 books are packed in each carton. Now let's see the fourth sum. Okay students, let's see the fourth word problem. What they have given. They have given as each person contributed rupees 65 for a picnic. If the total contribution were rupees 2,925, find the number of person who contributed for the picnic. Now they have given over here rupees 2,925 and we have to divide it with rupees 65. So let's find out the solution. Before that, all the students, you are kindly requested to do the rough work, and in the rough column you are going to write the table of 65. As you can see, on the right hand side of the blackboard, I have written rough work and I have written 65 table. 65 ones are till 65 tens are. Now let's start with the solution. Now we have to write the contribution by each person was rupees 65 and the total contribution was 2,925. We have to find out how many person contributed for the picnic. So let's write the solution. So we will be writing the solution contribution by each person. We know how much the contribution is. Contribution is rupees 65. As I have written it on the blackboard, contribution rupees 65. Now we have to write the total contribution. From the question we have also got this answer. What was the total contribution? The total contribution was rupees 2,925. So we have written total contribution is rupees 2,925. Now we have to find out how many persons have they contributed for the picnic. So we will be writing 2,925 divided by 65. Now 65 is the divisor, 2,925 is the dividend. Now, as you can see it over here students, 2 is the smaller number and 65 is a bigger number. So what we are going to do, we have to multiply 65 zeros are 0 with the subtraction sign, and then we will be writing the answer. 2 minus 0 is 2, and we will take the next number, that is number 9, with an arrow. We are going to pull down and we are going to write as number 9. So what is the number? 29. As you can see it over here, 29 is a smaller number, 65 is again a bigger number. This is called as divisor. So what we have to do, we have to multiply again 65 zeros are 0, then put a minus sign, and then we have to write again the answer as 29. Now we have to take the next number, that is number 2. We have to write it down, or we have to draw a line, or we can make an arrow and write the next number, that is 2. So what is the answer? It is 292. Now in the table we have to see less than 292 any of the number which is matching or any of the number which is less. So which number is less? So as you can see it in the 65 table, 65 fours is 260. And 65 5s is 325. 325 is a bigger number, but 260 is a smaller number. So what are we going to do? We will be writing 65 4s. 65 4s is 260. And we have to again subtract, that is minus. Now 292 minus 260, the answer will come as 32. This solution directly you have to do it. Now we have to pull down 5 with an arrow and we will be writing 325. Now you can see it, 65 5 is 325. So we will be writing 65 5 be 25 minus sign, and then we will get the answer as remainder as 0. So how many total number of persons have contributed? The total number of persons contributed were 45. Now this we have to write it in the statement. So we will be writing, as you can see, we have written the answer. 45 persons contributed for the picnic. Now they have asked us in the question that how many persons have contributed. We came to know that 45 people or 45 persons have contributed for the picnic. Students, the next word problem will be uploaded in the next video. Till then, keep practicing these word problems in your rough notebook or either in the homework book. Thank you everyone.